boAt has come up with something really innovative at a really low price, and honestly, I think this is one of their best product till date when it comes to price to value ratio. And I've been using these earbuds for last 24 hours, so here is gonna be my honest review about this. This here is boAt Nirvana Crown, and let's start with the unboxing first. Inside the box, you will get boAt Nirvana Crown wireless earbuds case and one USB to Type-C charging cable, one user guide, and 2 units of extra tips for better fit. Everything is neatly packed, so the presentation feels really premium. Now let's talk about the most unique part of this earbuds, the case. So the upper half is made of glossy plastic and the lower half is in the matte plastic. On the front you will get Nirvana branding and the crown dial. On the right side you have a Type-C charging slot, and on the front side you also have LED ring and a push button in the middle. Now boAt calls this design sonic arc. Arc means advanced rotating crown. This rotating crown lets you control your volume from the case, and the LED ring shows how much battery percentage it is having right now in the case, and it also helps you notify of certain things you can plan in the app. And in the middle, the push button helps you play and pause the music, and you can also deny or receive the calls from it, and you can also wake assistant. You also get multicolor LED light which is fully customizable with your application. And what I think is the most unique part is that there are few earbuds which have a very ugly looking battery indicator on the front, which is digital but doesn't look very appealing, and this ring solves this problem very admirably. The green indicator shows how much battery percentage is left on this case. Like you can see, it is just below 3/4 mark, so it shows that it is right about 75% of battery life. Also, what I've liked about this technology is there are haptic feedbacks you can feel. If you rotate the crown, you can really feel haptics very well, and the haptics can also be customized by your liking. But if you're thinking what about the accidental presses, if you are putting this in your pocket or in your bags, it might get rotated automatically. But boAt has come up with really clever solution for this. You can triple press the center button and hold the last press, so it will go in the lock mode. After the lock mode, if you rotate the crown, it won't change anything on the earbuds. Now let's talk about the earbuds design. They feel comfortable and premium. They also have the silicone tape, so you can change for your preferences what kind of fit do you like. They are lightweight, comfortable and secure. They won't come out if you're doing jogging or doing exercises. With these earbuds, you can also use the touch plays on the right and left side of the earbuds. You can play and pause music with these earbuds also, and also you can activate Google Assistant and Siri, and you can pick up calls or end calls also. Now let's talk about the sound quality of these earbuds. What I really don't like about these earbuds is the sound quality. We have seen in the past boAt makes a sound quality really bass heavy, and here is the same part. If you like EDM songs and want a super bass heavy type of earbuds, then you can go for these earbuds. But if you want a balanced type of sound where you can listen vocals clearly and instrument, and there's a good amount of bass, not more than that, then these earbuds will not suit you. I personally prefer earbuds those who have more instrumental sounds and vocals, like which has clear mid-tones and high tones. And in the sound department, I think this earbuds lack in that part. But they also support 3D spatial audio feature, so if you want to watch movies and want to enjoy content, they are good for that also. Also in the application, there are EQ modes, so you can customize them for your liking. Other than that, in the sound department, I think boAt could have done better. Now this earbuds also supports active noise cancellation up to 50 decibels, which works surprisingly well because one earbud has 6 microphones which can isolate external noise. Whether you are in a train or in a noisy environment, this earbud ANC can block outside noise perfectly. You also get ambience mode so that you can hear outside voices also if you are talking to someone while using these earbuds. Other than that, it also supports beast mode for gaming, which offer 50 ms of low latency for gamers. But I think there are few other earbuds also which supports lower ms for gaming. Other than that, the battery life of this earbuds is really good. You can get up to 40 hours of playback in one single charge, and I've been using these earbuds for last 24 hours, so I think the battery will survive for 1 week easily in a one single charge. Other than that, if you charge these earbuds for just 10 minutes, you can get 4 hours of playback easily. Now let's talk about the durability of these earbuds. This earbud supports IPX4 rating, so you can use them in light training, and you can also use them inside the gym if you are sweating a lot. Now the most important thing is the boAt Hearable 2.0 application, from which you can connect these earbuds. Inside the application, you can change EQs. There there are few presets and you can also customize for your liking. Then you can adjust haptic feedback and you can change LED colors for your preferences, what kind of notification you want with what color. Also you can turn on and off in-ear detection from there, and you can also customize what type of functionality you want from the Crown and what kind of changes you want to make from the Earbuds touch controls. Now lastly, let's talk about the verdict of this device. At the price of 2800 rupees, I think they are really innovative. What I don't like about this earbud is these are very bass heavy earbuds. So if you are like me who wants to hear instruments and vocals more clearly, then you won't be impressed with this sound quality, but the overall package is really amazing for 2800 rupees price. So if you want to check out these earbuds, you can check out in our description. This was the whole video about this Crown earbuds. What do you think about this earbuds? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you have watched till now, please make sure to like so that I can bring more this type of content for you. We'll meet in the next video, so stay tuned with the Unboxing Guru. Bye bye.